Time na lang. Can you please bring back the slide? I have already taught you how to create. I taught you already how to handle money. It's time for us to learn how to invest. Slide, please. Slide. Gilbert? Okay, how to invest. For us, investment, what is investment? Investment is something that is purchased with an intent to profit or retail at a higher price. Question. Sino po sa atin dito? Okay, are we okay? Sige. Investment. Okay, this portion again, let's go. Okay, tulungan na. One more please.
This portion is brought to you by BDO, Alveo, Sun Life Financial.
Okay. Tulungan nyo na lang ako para mahirapan. Gilmar, tulungan nyo lang. Okay. Why do you need to invest? Next slide, please. Because you want to make money work what? For you. That's number one. Next, please. You gotta find what? Inflation. What is my inflation? Imagine 2005 right now, 10 years ago. 10 years ago, kung may 3,000 pesos ka, pumasok ka sa supermarket, paglabas mo, anong puno? Shopping cart or basket? Shopping cart. Today, pumunta ka na supermarket, may 3,000 ka, anong puno?
Basket.
Baka plastic. So it will say, no kidding, the amount of money that we have invested already what? Ika nga, lumiit na po yung value natin. If you have money in the bank, no offense meant, banks, but that's the reality, mababa na yung halaga ng pera po natin. Next slide, please. Okay. Sino sa atin gusto matuto mag-invest? Magkasama kamay? Always remember OHP. Everyone say OHP. OHP. O stands for objective, H, horizon, P, preference. Let's go to objective first. What we call as financial goal? Objective is what we call as financial goal. Remember what we talk about? Short term, medium term, long term, right? What's your objective? Some objectives are for preservation of funds. Like for example, you're putting preservatives inside the food to preserve it for a longer period of time. Second, aside from preservation of fund, growth in funds. You want to make it grow. You want to have it multiply. Third is what we call as what? Constant cash flow. The money, you don't want to have it run out. So basically, what you're doing is you want to invest para may pumapasok ng pera pang gastos. So next is horizon. Everybody say horizon. Ang horizon naman is the timeline. When do you what? Need it. Is it what we call as what? Short term, medium term, or what we call as what? Long term. Okay, ulit-ulitin natin ha. Pag mag-i-invest ka, first you got to know your what? Your goal. Anong goal ko? Ang goal ko, long term. Okay, ang goal ko is what? Preservation of fund. Ayaw ko maubos. Next, ang goal ko is what? Long term. And then next slide please. How to invest your money what? Safely. And wisely. Number one, invest with the proper information. Naalala niyo yung may kasabihan, knowledge is, yung nagsabi nun, wala na. Knowledge is now money, and money is what? Knowledge. If you want really to make more money nowadays, you need to gain knowledge. This is the age of information and technology. Are you familiar with a company by the name of Uber? Uber, yes or no? They have the biggest fleet in the world. Biggest automobile fleet in the world with no cars, with no drivers, without paying their gasoline. Nasusundan niyo? Yes or no? Ano meron sila? Idea, information. Facebook, meron kayong Facebook? Yes or no? They have the biggest in terms of what? Subscribers. If Facebook would be a country, they're 1 billion strong. They're bigger than the Philippines in terms of population. They don't upload any pictures, they don't upload any information. Who uploads the pictures? Tayo. Who uploads the information? Tayo. Sino nag-share? Tayo. Sino nag-like? Tayo. Sino kumikita? Mark Zuckerberg. What do they have? They have what? Knowledge. In the 21st century, if you want to make money, you need to have knowledge. So last O, H is what? Last is what? P. Everybody say preference. Sino po sa inyo medyo aggressive po as an investor? Aggressive kayo. Gusto nyo medyo makikita? Sino medium? Moderate? Moderate? Sino conservative? Okay. If you are an aggressive, ganito dapat ang investment profile mo. Next slide please. 80% must be on what? High return, 20% must be on what? Low return. If you're aggressive. Pag ikaw moderate naman, tulungan nyo kami. Moderate is what? 50-50. Everybody say 50-50. 50 on high, 50 on what? Low. If you're conservative, 20 on high, 80 on low. Napafollow nyo? Yes or no? That's how you should invest. Because in investment, the higher the interest, the higher the risk. Again, sino sa inyo aggressive? Aggressive? Listen. It doesn't really say that you are an aggressive investor. Ito yung gusto mong gawin. You're to follow what you want. Meron tayo na tawag na, if you want to invest, you got to invest according to age. Everybody say age. Sino po sa inyo naglalaro dati ng basketball? Dati. Tapos ngayon, after so many years hindi ka naglalaro, then you try to play basketball again. And when you try to play basketball, nahalaan niyo ba? Gusto ng utak mong gawin yung bagay, pero yung katawan mo hindi sumasabay. Na-experience niyo yun? Ako na-experience ko yun. Tumakbo ka. Nung tumatakbo na ako, ganitong takbo ka. Hindi mo na mahabol yung bola. So, hindi na appropriate yung age ko for my sports. Ganun din po pagdating sa investment. Pag 20s to 30s ka, you can be aggressive. Why can you be aggressive? Come on, think. Why can you be aggressive when you're young? Just in case you lose your money, you can still gain it back. You have time. Once you reach 40s to 50s, kailangan moderate ka na. Once you reach what? 60s and above, kailangan conservative ka. Whether you like it or not. You cannot afford to lose your what? Your investment. I'm very conservative in terms of what? Investment. As a matter of fact, I'm so conservative. Bago pa ako pumunta ngayon sa araw na ito, sa Metrotech, nagpaalam pa ako sa nanay ko. Ganun ako conservative. Next slide, please. Where to invest? Gusto nyo na malaman? Yes or no? Number 1, savings account. Okay? Come on, sabayin nyo. Oh, please. Savings account, number 1. When you invest in savings account, magkano interest per annum? 1% after tax point something na lang. Look at tayo ng inflation. Second is what we call as what? Time deposit. When you say time deposit, it's much bigger. Nakatime yung pera mo on a certain period of time. Pag na-pre-terminate ka, wala kang interest. Third is what we call as what? Mutual fund. Okay. This is an interesting topic. Sino sa inyo gusto matuto to invest in mutual funds? Just before to mag-invest, magawa mo ng mutual fund. It's just like a paluwagan system. We cannot invest our hard-earned money based on yourself because it requires a lot of money to invest in mga fund instruments. So basically, paluwagan system, they get 1,000. Pag binuko, may 5,000, tapos umiikot yung pera. Nagigets nyo? Ganun din po yung sistema ng mutual fund. It's pooled funds, they pull it from different groups, and then may tinatawag na fund investor who's going to invest in our behalf. Okay, ang mutual fund po, ganito po yan. What you're buying is shares, or our shares. Everybody say shares. It's offered by investment companies. And the investment companies are handled by what we call as professional fund managers. And then, sino nagbebenta nito? Most likely, insurance agents or licensed NG agents. Sino nagre-regulate ng mutual fund? SEC, Security Exchange Commission. Basta katandaan nyo, pag may investment, dapat may approval ng SEC. Pag walang approval ng SEC investment, alam nyo na, delikado tayo. That's number 1, mutual fund. May isa pang fund, very similar with mutual fund. Ito yung popular din na napapanood natin naririnig na natin. It's called UITF. Everybody say UITF. Ano naman ang UITF? It's called Unit Investment Trust Funds. Ang binibili natin dito, hindi po shares. Ang binibili na lang natin yun ay units. Everyone say units. May units po siya. Sino nag-handle ito? Trust Group of Bank. Mga bangko, meron sila mga tinatawag na trust fund, meron sila mga professional fund managers, at sino nagre-regulate sa kanila? BSP, Bangko Sentral ng Philippines. Now, similar sila ang mutual fund and UITF. It's pooled funds, it's managed by professionals. If you want to invest, they charge about 1 to 5% per transaction. Now, let me explain to you, and I want you to direct on the screen, okay? Next slide please, sige, next slide muna tayo. Tignan mo na yung next slide. Ano advantages? Next, you have what? Better. How better is better? Sino sa inyo dito, kaya nyo mag-save ng at least 20 pesos a day? 80 a month. 1,000 pesos a year. Marami kasing tao hindi nagsasave at saka nag-i-invest. And sabi, I don't have really much money. I'm going to save it. I'm going to show you, okay? Through this slide. Let's show this slide. 20 pesos a week. A week na lang. 80 pesos a month. Next, 1,000 a year. Kaya? Let's say you invest it, okay? In 40 years. 40 years. FYI, when you say FYI for your information, if you want to invest in mutual fund or UITF, ito parating tanong nyo BPP. Everybody say BPP. It stands for based on past performance. Based on past performance. Titignan mo yung historical data. Kung makita ng historical data niya over a period of 5 years, gusto mo makita paano yung performance ng funds mo, ng mutual fund or UITF. And based on the information of mga funds, right now, sa mga mutual fund, nag-average siya ng 10 to 12% interest per annum. Okay? Over a period of how many years?
5.
How many?
5.
Okay. Now, if you invest in a mutual fund, yung 40,000 mo in 40 years will become how much?
4.
Everyone say 1 million. 1 million pesos. Ang papasok na pondo. Maganda hindi? Parang minsan nagtataka ka, pwede ba mangyari? Yes, pwede po yun. And yun po yung mathematical term, okay? And then para mas maintindihan nyo pa, next slide please. Ito po ay based on the past 5 years result of the mutual fund performance of Sun Life Financial. Pag nag-invest ka in 3 years, everyone, 1 year, everyone say 1. Okay, more or less ang return mo is 27%. Next is what? Next please. Pag invest ka in 3 years, ang income mo is how much? 13% interest per year, per annum, ang return, average. Pero pag nag-invest ka in 8 years, everybody say 8. Ang average return based on past performance ng data, your money will have a return of how much? 30% interest per annum. Hello? Follow me? Yes or no? Let's go to the next slide. Okay, balik tayo. Masyadong mali. Ito, kaya nyo, so nakikita nyo, kung nag-invest ka ng tama, yung pera mo, ay lalaki siya. And then, allow me to share with you a system. Kasi pagdating sa investment, napakahalaga yung tinatawag na ROI. Everyone say ROI. Return of. Do you want me to teach you a simple computation on how you can compute when your money will double? Yes or no? I need you to Ano lang, focus here. Okay, I need the camera here. Help me with this. $72 divided by 12. Ilan po? 6. 72 divided by 6. Ilan po? 12. Okay, 72 by 12, 72 by 6, 72 by 12 is equivalent to what? 6. 72 by 6 equivalent to what? 12. So listen, the money you invested at a 12% interest per annum will double every 6 years. The money you invested at a 6% interest per annum will double every
6 years.
how many years? 12 years. Basta, given ko, hindi ko na papahirapan, I don't want to make it technical, it's called the rule of 72. You want to know when your money will double, get the number what? 72 divided by the interest that's given, and you will know when your money will double. Now, I will show you another slide. This is a very important slide. Let's say Ben, okay, may isang bata, nag-umpisa siya mag-invest 2,000 pesos per year. Nag-invest siya sa age 19 and 8 years niya ginawa. Kaya niyo ba mag-invest ng 2,000 pesos per year? Yes or no?
Yes.
8 years mo gagawin. Total investment mo ay how much? 16. Everybody say 16. Tapos si David, okay? Si Ben yung isa si David. Ben David. Yung mga tumawa, magkaedad tayo. Yung mga nagtatanong, tanongin nyo na lang sa tumatawa kung sino yun. Si David naman, nag-invest siya after 8 years, meaning Ben. So, kunyari, mag-age ba, 19, 20, 21, 20, nag-start siya, no? David, na 20 plus na. At nag-invest siya for 38 years na 2,000. 38 years times 2,000, magkano? 38 times 2. 76. Tama? Sino mas malaking investment? Ben or si David? Sino na una mag-invest? Si Ben or si David? Si Ben nag-invest lang ng 2,000 for 8 years and he stopped. Pero si David continued for 38 years. Tignan natin ang difference. Show the slide. Kung makikita mo si Ben, after he reached the age of 65, he will receive 2.2 million pesos. Si David invested longer, but he only received how much? 1.5 million pesos. What does this slide say? Come on, think. Ano ibig sabihin? The earlier you invest, the better it is for us. Hello? Nagigets niyo? Yes or no? Next slide, please. Let's go back to UITF performance naman. This is based on the past performance of the bank. Let's go. This is based on the performance of BDO. Yung equity fund niya, pag 1 year, 10% return. Pagka 3 years, okay, in terms of invest, ang average net income is how many? 43 what? Percent. Everyone say 43. Ano mas malaki? 10 or 43? Sabi ko sa kumita, 10 or 43? Listen. And I, focus here again. Paano natin makakompute when our money will double? Take the number what? Magkano yung mataas ng interest? 3 years? 40? Huwag na 43. Gawin na lang natin 36. 72 by 26. 2. So, yung pera iniwan mo at a UITF fund will double every, let's say you invested it for 10 years. 10 years. 10 divided by 2, how many times will it double? How many? 5. Can you invest 10,000? Yes or no? 10,000. 10 years ago. Iniwan mo. Iniwan mo lang. Let's double it 5 times. 10? Come on. 10? 20, 40, 80, come on. Again, 10? No, 10 double. 20, 40, 80, 160, 320. yung cellphone ng 10,000, after 10 years, naging 300 plus thousand. Wala. Maganda mag-invest ba? Yes or no? Next slide please. Advantages, let's do this fast. Better returns. Next is what? Diversification. When you say diversification, yun ang magandahan, hindi ka nalulugi in terms of talaga malaking lugi. Kasi pag personally ikaw nag-invest, nagkamali ka na mag-invest ng fund, lahat lugi ka. Because you put your eggs in one basket. Versus yung ETF and mutual fund, fund managers are dividing the investment with 10 companies. Just in case, dalawang nalugi, walong kikita, average, kita ka pa rin. That's how Sumart makes money. No offense, mate, not every Sumart branches makes money. Pero kahit na 100 ang branches niya, kahit nagsig 5, nalulugi, over ng 95, panalo ka rin. That's what we call diversification. Next is affordability. Listen. Kaya mo mag-invest sa UIPF ng 10,000 pesos? 10,000 pesos to start. Yes or no? What if I can tell you, you can start with 5,000? Is that good? Yes or no? What if I can tell you right now, you can even start with 1,000 pesos? Pwede nga. Seriously?
Pwede naman monthly.
1,000, kaya? Yes or no?
Kaya.
Gawin mo lang para sa anak mo. Age, let's say, 5 years old and or more, nakapangalan pero naka-invest sa pangalan niya, iwan mo lang in 20 years, 30 years, it will what? May pamana ka na sa anak mo. May educational fund ka na para sa anak mo. Saan yan? Gusto niyo malaman? Gusto niyo malaman saan nag-offer ng 1,000? Yes or no?
Yes.
Palakpak naman. No, honestly, I was shocked when it was offered to me. Video is my bank. They want to an EIP program, Easy Investment Plan, for as low as 1,000 pesos. Pwede naman, pwede quarterly, pwede annually, depende yan sa'yo. Pwede mo start, tapos yan, after 6 months, sabi mo, ayaw ka na. Kaya ba? Yes or no? Please lang, pag hindi mo kaya, nagmamakaawa ko, please lang, ha? Next slide, please. Advantages, better returns, diversification, affordability, professionally managed. Sige. Sige, kaya mo yan. Wala na. Wala na. Please go to yung buong slide ko, it's all there. So, are you learning so far? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, let me go to how to invest. Okay, mukhang kulang yung ano. Sige. How to invest? Okay? Invest wisely. Invest what? Consistently, and invest what? Cautiously. Can you help me go to the slide of cautiously? Invest cautiously. Gilmar Tolono. Hello?
Hi.
Rather than teaching you how to invest, I would rather teach you these are the things that you should look out for before you investing. Okay, if you want to learn how to invest cautiously, things that you should not be doing in what? Investment. Number one, never invest out of what?
Ignorance.
The longer version of this is never invest in something that you do not understand, no matter how profitable it may be.
Amen.
Hello?
Hi.
That doesn't apply only in investment, but it also applies in business. My friend who lost 5.5 million in 3 months' time because he invested in a business that he doesn't understand. Lugi siya. Number two, never invest out of what? Out of your what? Emotions. Because what? Feelings are deceptive. Number three, never invest out of what? Greed. Everybody say greed.
Greed.
Always remember in investment, the higher the interest, the higher the risk. Number four, never invest out of what? Trust. Never invest based on the function of what? Trust. May tiwala ako dyan eh. Sigurado ako hindi ako lulukohin. Never invest out of what? Fear. The more you are afraid, the more you will what? Now, huwag ko na matagalin. Hello?
Hi.
Kung kayo ay pumunta lang ngayong hapon na ito para sa session lang na ito, sulit na sulit because I'm gonna help you save millions of pesos. What do I mean? There will come a time once you will retire or once you will have money, you will have lots of friends and relatives. Why? Listen, because money is indeed very relative. The more money you have, the more relatives you will have. No money, no relatives. Nag-retire ka with 2 million pesos. Sasabihin sa inyo mga friend and relative mo, magkano yung pera sa bangko? Maliit lang yung interest. Mag-invest ka na lang sa amin. At least, you will get how much? 5% per month, 60% per what? Per annum. Na nagigets nyo? It's so enticing. Para hindi ka let's say, para magkaroon ng peace of mind, kalahati lang nabigay mo, 1 million times 5%. Magkano kikitain mo per book per month? 50,000, 600,000 pesos per year. Para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind, bibigyan ka namin ng post-dated check na 13. Every month may 15. On the 13th month, bawi sa iyo 1 million. Maganda?
Maganda.
Hindi mo na unawaan. Nag-invest ka. Listen. Every single month, good ang checking mo. After 1 year, magkano na yung pera mo? From 1 million, naging 1.6. Tama ba niya? Next question. Will you pull out or will you roll? Pull out or roll?
Roll.
Hindi mo lang i-roll. Double roll ka pa. May 1 million ka pa. Siyempre, kumita ka ng 600,000, ano gagawin mo sa next million mo? Todo na. Parang kita ko per month, 100,000. Tama ba niya?
Tama.
Once na nilagay mo yung second million mo, pusoy ka na.
Pusoy ka.
Na-scam ka na. Na-pyramid ka na. Hello? Listen. Don't miss this part.
Marami na dali dyan.
1 million binigay mo. Magkano returns? Magkano returns? Kanino pera sinoli sa'yo?
Sa'yo.
Sa'yo
Kanino
din.
pera? May 400,000 pa. At alam niya, next year magdadagdag ka. Kasi nakatikim ka na. Pag nagbigay ka na, pusoy ka na. Nagigets nyo? Number 1, you go back to the 5 question. Intindihan mo ba? Hindi. Oh, ba't ka nag-invest? Kasi excited ka. Pinapakita ka ng check, pinapakita ka ng bagay. You invested out of emotions. Number 3, you invested out of greed. And aminin pa natin lahat, meron tayong greed sa buhay. Iba-iba lang level. May mga ba, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. Number 4, nag-invest ka dahil nagtitiwala ka. Kakilala ko yan. Hindi ako lumakuhin yan. Let me tell you this truth. Who are the people who can hurt us most? The people who are closest to us are the people who can hurt us most.
Yes.
When it comes to investment, hindi pa nitiwala. Kailangan alam mo. And last but not the least, you invested out of fear. Kasi retired ka na. Hindi mo alam kung nagkakaroon sa pera. Baka maubos. Grabe. Mali. Hello.
Hi.
One last, bonus na ito.
Dami
Bonus.
niya mga retirees.
Marami ba nag-invite sa inyo sa mga tinatawag ng mga direct selling, multi-level marketing or network marketing? Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm sure lahat tayo na-invite na. I would like to give you 2 tips in order for you to know if the company is legitimate or not. Maraming mga legitimate companies, pero may ilan kasi talaga ang sumisira, ang tingin na ng lahat ay masama.
Tama.
Nagigets nyo? So, dalawa lang. How would you know if a company is legitimate or not? Wala siya slide ko. Write this down. Number 1, once you join, there must be the word called immediate. Everybody say immediate. Dapat may kapalit ka ng produkto at service. Hanggaan. Hindi pwedeng bukas. Ngayon. And always think that you are the last. Everyone say last. Iisipin mo na ikaw ang pinakahuling sasali at wala ka na marirecruit. Nagbayad ka ng 10,000. Hawak mo 10,000 pesos worth of products. Nalugi ka? Nalugi ka? Pwede mo gamitin, pwede mo ibenta, mapabawi mo 10,000 mo. Is that clear? Yes or no? Legitimate yun. Pero pag nagbayad ka 10,000, ang hawak mo 5,000. Yes, may immediate. Pero kung ikaw last, 10 ang binayad mo, 5 ang hawak mo, nalugi ka o hindi? Pero sabi sa'yo, huwag ka mag-alala. Pag naka 1 right and 1 left ka, may 2,500 ka, 5,000, bawi ka. It sounds nice, it sounds right. Is that right? Yes or no? Pero tanong ko, paano kung sila naman dalawa hindi naka-invite? Nalugi ba sila? Nalugi ba sila? Nakakalungkot na biktima ka na ng biktima ka pa ng iba. Hindi ako magbabanggit ng pangalan ng kumpanya because it's not right. I'm teaching you principles. Basta pag sumali kayo in any type of business or investment, pag nagbayad ka ng hawak mo, hindi pwedeng pangako. At pag ikaw nakarecruit, at saka namin bibigyan ng produkto. Duh! Eh, kanina mo ginawa pang bili. It is the next na recruit ko.
Tama.
Pasensya na kayo ha, hindi ako galit ha, nagpapaliwanag lang. Let's go to the next. Tapos na tayo sa investment, let's go to the next, please. Next time, come on. Never believe in this saying. Absolutely what? No risk. Next. Guaranteed returns. Next. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Trust your feelings. And last, I know everything. One more. I am sure. Naku, pag may nagsabi na tumakbo ka na, hindi nila sinasabi sa'yo, absolute no risk for me and risk for you. Guaranteed returns for me but not for you. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me but not for you. Trust your feelings because you're breathing. I know everything and you know nothing. I am sure kikita ako, malulugi ka. Pero good news, after this coaching conference, all of us will be more prepared. Yes. You invested less than 1,000 pesos to learn this, but I help you just save hundreds of thousands and even millions. Come on, can you please give a round of applause? Now, sino naman sa'yo gusto matuto mag-invest sa property? Come on, property naman. Bilisan na natin to. Todo na!
Achieve 2015 How to Retire Before the Age of 50 is brought to you by Alveo.
How to grow money in real estate. Let's go. Buy property. Why? You can never grow land. That's number one. Number two, everyone needs one house to live in. Is that right? Yes or no? Ilan ang population ng Pilipinas? 100 million. At palaki ng palaki. There's a projection in another 10 years time we're going to grow up to 120 million. Lumalaki ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. BPO industry is really growing so fast. Our OFW remittances are all-time high. But listen intently. In a few more years, projection, 10 years from now, BPO, income will already out-earn the OFW remittances. We have over 1.5 million BPO agents right now, and it's going to grow exponential. So, lumalaki ang ekonomiya, yung middle class tumataas, dumadami ang may kapasidad na bumili ng sariling bahay. Next. It makes you what? How? Next slide. Okay. Let's say you live in Dasmariñas, or let's say Forbes Park. In 1962, per square meter is 88 pesos. Everybody say 88. Kaya mo bumili ng 88 pesos per square? Yes or no?
Yes.
Kung ngayon ang presyo na, pagbilang na ng 1,000. Pero in the year 2008, from 88 pesos, naging 72,000 na po ang presyo. Next slide po. 72,000 divided by 88, it multiplied by how many times? 818 times. And let's say, bumili ka ng property. How many square meter? Let's say 1,000. Di ba? Hindi ka naman pwede bumili ng 1 square meter lang. 1 square meter lang. Akin to. Huwag kayo akin lang to. So, 88,000 ang in-invest mo. 1962, 2008, magkano na value ng pera mo? Come on, magkano value?
71 million. Wow.
Pero that was the 2008 data. Let's talk about the data in the year 2016. 2015. 160 to 250,000 per square meter as of now. So 88, tapos 116 multiplied by hindi na 818 times, 1,818 times. Yung 88,000 mo, present value ng pera mo, magkano ngayon? 159 million. Masarap ba isipin yun? Yes or no? Ay, grabe. Next slide please, bilisan na po natin. Condo in BGC 2004, 75,000 per square land. 2004. Present value, 180,000. Look up here. I've been traveling all around the world. Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and I've been traveling, you know, how much the property in Singapore per square foot? Per square foot, per square meter is equivalent to 10 square foot. Ang property value in Philippine peso per square foot is 300,000 pesos.
Wow.
So kung titignan mo yung ekonomiya natin versus kung ang layo pa natin. Namamahala na tayo sa presyo ngayon. Wait till 10 years from now. Magkakamutan naman tayo. Sayang, hindi ako nag-invest ngayon. Next. How to grow your money in real estate. Let's do this fast. Number one, check the location, location, location. Very important yun. Second location. Next is brand. Lalo na if you want to resell, gusto nyo magbenta ulit ng property para kumita ka, branding is very important. Next, check the developers. Maraming nag-pre-selling dyan pero hindi natatapos. Napapasok din yung mga investor. So make sure yung mga developers, reputable, alam mo hindi magsasara. Next, salability. Because you are reselling a brand, you are reselling a product, make sure it's viable. Next, 5 practical steps on how to invest. Number 1, check your what? Cash flow. Everyone say cash flow.
Cash flow.
Now, listen, I need your full cooperation here. Gusto niyo bang matuto kailan niyo malalaman kung kaya niyo bumili o hindi? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sino mo pa ngayon? You're renting. Sir, more or less, magkano rent mo? 8,000 a month. Magkano ang kaya mo i-stretch? Okay, magkano kaya mo i-stretch? Stretch in terms of rental na hindi masira budget mo. Maximum, 9K or 8,001 pesos. Magkano? Come on. Ha? 10. Kapatid, listen. If any company can offer you a rent-to-own scheme pag-ibig between 8 to 10,000, you have to buy. Because that's within your monthly rental budget. Why should you pay without owning the unit? Next question. What if there's a company that will offer you 12K a month? 12K. Iyo, 12K. Will you buy it? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Because ang kaya mo lang hanggang 10. Don't ever, hindi mo problema. You're buying an idea, hindi ba nagagawa ka na lang ng paraan. Yes, kaya mo gawin ng paraan for a few months, pero hindi yan magtatagal. Ano yung lalabas ng habang nagtatrabaho? Dugo, munggo, bulitas. Next, I want to teach you another thing. Again, I don't want to shortchange anyone. Once you come here, I want to maximize this time. I want to teach you how to invest through PI. Everybody say PI. PI stands for Practice Investment. Huwag kang mabubulag agad sa low, mga monthly, sa mga low, what you call this, no down payment. Check mo muna kung kaya mo talaga ng cash flow mo. How would you be able to check? Listen. Let's say if the company says 25,000 pesos down, ang monthly mo lang 10,000 pesos. Pero hindi ka pa rin sigurado. This is what you need to do. 25,000, huwag mo bayad sa real estate company, mag-open ka ng bank account, i-deposit mo sa bank account mo. And then for the next 6 to 12 months, everybody say 6 to 12.
6 to 12.
Deposit ka ng 10 sa bank account mo. Within 6 to 12 months, not even a drop of sweat, hindi ka man lang pinawisan. Good news. I-withdraw mo na yung pera, pumunta ka sa real estate company, bilhin mo na yun. Because you can afford it. Ika-third month, ang lumalabas again, hindi pawis. Hindi na pawis. Stress. Pagod. Ano mo good news? Do you want to hear the good news? Do you want to hear the good news? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ang pera, hawak mo sa bangko mo, hindi sa developer.
Amen.
Kasi pag natinaon mo na yan, tapos na-realize mo hindi kaya, ano mangyayari sa down payment mo? Ano mangyayari sa 2 months payment mo?
Wala.
Ubus na. Nagigets nyo?
Yes.
If you just follow these 2 simple tips, I just help you save a lot of money. Next, come on. Next slide. Come on, help me guys. After cash flow, are you going to sell or are you going to what? Yes. Benta ka ba o ano? Okay. I want to show you this one. Iba-iba kasi tayo. When it comes to investment in property, I have certain rules. Ang rule ko, minimum 5, maximum what? 11. Minimum 5 to 10%. Everybody say 5 to 10. Come on, 5 to 10.
5 to 10.
If you want to offer me a property, kailangan pag nag-invest ako, dapat may ROI na at least minimum of 5 and higher, better. Like for example, if I invest 1 million pesos in a property, ang tanong ko, magkano ang lease income na makukuha ko? Like sinabi niya, ang target ko 10%. 10% times 1 million, magkano siya? 100,000. Ang return per year, per annum. Divided by how many months ang rental? Well, more or less 8,500 pesos per what? Per what?
Per month.
Per what?
Per month.
Is that right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So listen, sa 8,500, kung sinabi mo sa akin, hindi ko pwedeng paupahan ng 8,500 yan, hindi ko siya bibili. Bakit? It doesn't give me the desired income that I want. What if it can offer give me higher interest? Fine, better. And why is it so wise to invest in land? Listen. Number one, if you get 10% return from your lease income, it's higher compared to the bank kasi guaranteed to. Kasi upa yan, tama? Number two, you're protecting yourself from the inflation and then what? Depreciation of your money. Nagigets nyo? Kasi yung property, every year tumataas o bumababa? Exactly. Personal experience lang to, and then I'll move on to my next topic sa stock market na tayo. Prepare the stock market na slide. I invested in property in Ortigas. I purchased it, cash, and then after that, tinanan ko ng 2 taon. After 2 years, pinuupahan ko siya ng 10 years. 10 years, 10%, 100%. So, yung based on my, yung upa, nabawi ko na yung, cost ko. Nagets nyo? Nung nabenta ko yung unit, nagdoble pa yung presyo. So, nagets nyo? In property, you can never go wrong. Historically, data, look at the data. Numbers, next, let's talk about stock market. Sino sa inyo gusto matuto mag-invest sa stock? Okay.
This portion is brought to you by Yoshinoya, iStudio, United Neon, OneInManila.com, Radyo 5, Action TV, NAPCO.
Let's go to the next piece. Stock Market 101. When you join and buy a share of the stock, you become the owner, part owner of the company. When you buy, let's say, popular food chain, like for example, ano popular food chain ng stocks? O Jollibee, o pagpasok mo, may 1 share ka, di ba kung yan, bumili ng 1 share. Pag sinuwi ka ng gwardiya, hindi mo ba alam, shareholder ang kumpanya dito at may stock certificate ako? At sumagot ang gwardiya, bakit ilang shares mo? Isa, sa akin 3. Yan ka. So, let's look at the stock market naman. Okay, let's go. Go. What? Yan, next. How can you earn? Through dividends, number 1, pag kumita ng kumpanya, they declare dividends, kasama ka. And number 2 is what? Price appreciation. Pagtaas ng presyo, pag bili mo piso, naging 2 piso, kumita ka na. Why stocks? Listen. Because it grows what?
Exponential.
How exponential? Like for example, JD Summer. This is a publicly listed company. In 2009, of November 19, they're selling 6.50 per share. Let's say on January 13, it became how much? 65.5 per share. So it multiplied by how many times? 10 times. You bought 10,000 shares. So binayaran mo 65,000 in investment. 10 years. After that, naging magkano? 650,000. You just imagine, bumili ka ng magandang gadget, 65,000, after 10 years, depreciated ang pera. Another example, URC, okay, June 23, 2003, 416. Ito noong after 12 years, From 460, naging 207 pesos per share. Divide natin. 650 by 207, it multiplied 400 what? And 45 times. So kung bumili ka ng 10,000 shares at 46,000, magkano na pera mo ngayon? No. May pera ba sa stocks? Yes or no? Pero listen, okay, balik mo yung slide, balik mo. Hindi, balik. Balik. Maganda ba yung isipin niya? Maganda? Yes or no? Come on, maganda ba? Yes or no?
Yes.
But listen, it will not happen to majority of the people. Ask me why.
Why?
If you invest for the sake of investing, you forget again the principle of investing. Objective, horizon, and preference. Objective, ano yung goal ko dito? Short term, medium term, long term? Eh, yung timeline na ilalagay ko dyan? 46,000. Diba? 460. Dumoble. Nag-920. Magkano yung pera mo? From 46,000, naging 92,000. Tama? Pag wala kang objective, wala kang horizon, wala kang in terms of preference and how you invest, ano gagawin? Sell! Bora! 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 Gadget! 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 Walang goal. Ang goal lang kumita. Kaya nakikita natin exponential growth, it will never happen. It will only happen kung alam mo talaga ano yung plano mo. Nagigets niya ba? Yes or no? Fast forward tayo, how not to invest in the stock market. Bigyan na natin yung negatibo, huwag na yung positibo. Maganda naman yun eh. Pero I will teach you not how to invest. Next. Come on. Next please. Okay, when you invest in the stock market, minsan nalulugi siya. Example, I invested in 1997, 300,000 of my hard-earned money. After 3 months or 6 months, it became 30,000. Again, 300,000 again. Nalugi ako? Technically, yes, in paper, but not yet in principle. Why? Habang hindi ko binibenta, hindi ako lugi.
Tama.
Nasusunod na? So, ano gagawin nyo? Number 1, choice, wait for it to bounce back.
Yes.
Number 2, you can do average down. When you say averaging, ganito po yan. Sino po sa inyo nakapunta na ng sale?
Sale.
S-A-L-E. Sale. Nakapunta na kayo ng sale? Yes or no? Pumunta ka, uy, nakita ka, uy, grabe bargain, 100 pesos, binay mo, excited ka, grabe bargain. Nung sa bilang tindahan, nakita mo, kabila parehong produkto 50 pesos. Masama loob mo, grabe, nalugi ako, niloko ako. Tama mali. Para maibsan ng mo, ang ginawa mo, bumili ka ulit ng isa. Bakit? 100 plus 50, put them together, 150 divided by 2, 75. At least lugi ko 25 pesos na. Nagigets niya?
Yes.
Ganun ba yung averaging? Yung, let's say, bumili ka ng 1,000, di ba yung shares mo? Nalugi, naging 50%, naging 500 na lang. So bumili ko ulit sa 500, put them together, 1,000 plus 500. Ang puhunan mo na, hindi 1,000, kundi 750. Nagigets nyo? Hindi mo na kailangan hintayin pa na tumama ng 1,000 bago ka bumawi at 76, kumita ka na. That's the trick in... Next, how not to invest? Doon na lang po tayo. Gilmar, tulungan mo. No, how not to invest? Negative. Number 1, if you want to invest in stocks,
Para sa garden.
ano nakasulat dyan? Unahan nyo na lang. Ano? Okay, things you should not be doing in investing in stocks. Number 1, never put your eggs in one
Basket.
basket. Okay? When you want to invest in let's learn how to diversify. Number 2, sana masundan nila ako. Never, speculate. Everybody say speculate. Okay, thank you. My friend. Never speculate. Please never believe in what? Next slide. Never believe in what? Rumors. Ay, ito, lalaki ito. Alam, sino nagkwento? Ay, ito yung kutsero. Patay tayo dyan. Next is what? Never play the stocks. Stocks cannot be played. It can play you. Because you don't have enough money to move the market. If you have billions of pesos to move the market, go and play. Alam mo ginagawa ng iba? Simple lang eh. Lalaruin mo yung stocks. Pwede. Ang gagawin mo, marami ng stocks. Magpakalat ka ng kwento. So, nakikita siya. Pag tumataas, hihintayin mo. Pag tumataas, ano gagawin mo? Benta ka. Pababa. Law of supply and demand. When the supply is great and demand is little, what will happen? Ano mangyari? Presyo tataas, bababa.
Tataas.
Again, when the supply is great and the demand is little, bababa siya. At oras na bumaba, anong gagawin ng may-ari? Yung may hawak, yung nagmamanipulate, he buys back. Sino papasok? Yung mga maliliit na players. Next, last but not least, listen. Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
Magaganda ba lahat ng investment na pinapakita ko sa inyo? Yes or no? Ito itong reality. Lahat yan magaganda, pero ito yung ending ko. Listen. Never invest your what? Lifetime savings. Invest the money that you can afford. Sige. One last. Yung sa insurance. Okay. I have to finish this. Okay. Okay lang ba? I have to finish this at 6 o'clock. Okay lang po ba? Yes or no? So, right now, ito, I'll end with yung insurance, yung protection. Hindi ko na patagalin, I won't go to the notes, but I need to teach you this. Sino sa inyo dito, again, mga breadwinners, pakitaas mo naman. Sino sa inyo ang mga bread eaters, pakitaas mo naman.
Bread eaters.
Bread eater. No, seriously. Have you come to a point that you have thought, like for example, what I'm doing right now? I'm a public speaker, I communicate, I average 300 talks per year. So if I'm going to look at my current expenditure lifestyle, mataas na. Ito parang tanong ko. What if, kung may mangyari sa akin bukas, kaya bang gawin ng misis ko yung ginagawa ko and she will earn the money that I'm earning?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
So what am I trying to do? If I don't have
Protection.
what we call as what? Everyone say ERF. Expense Replacement Fund. I'm in danger. I'm a walking time bomb. When you say expense replacement fund, just in case the breadwinner goes, the income of that family member will be sustained. Alam niyo ba may ERF, may planong gano'n, may program na gano'n? Gusto niyo malaman paano kayo turuan on how to compute how much should your expense replacement fund? Do you want to learn? Yes or no? So, that's the reason why you have to do the budgeting system first. Pag may accurate number ka na, like for example, ang accurate number mo is 20,000 pesos per month. You multiply it by 12 months kasi 12 months kayo kakain. Magkano po siya per annum? 200 how much? 40,000 pesos per year. Is that right? Yes or no? In order for you to determine your expense replacement fund, this is very simple. All you need to do is just add zero. Everybody say zero. Zero at the end. Pag dinagdagan zero, magkano na siya? 2.4 million. Everyone say 2.4 million. 2.4, come on.
2.4.
So kung may 2.4 ka, bibigay mo sa pamilya mo, and let's say, may-invest nila at a mutual fund. Okay? Mutual fund. Example lang ito. At a 10% return per annum. 10% return per annum. Magkano po yung 10% ng 2.4? Magkano?
200.
240,000. Tama? How many months sila mabubuhay? Divided by 12. Magkano po ang babalik sa pamilya mo? Magkano?
20.
20,000 pesos per month. Nawala ba? Na-replace ba yung income na na-loss? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you follow the computation? Yes or no? Gusto niyo ulitin ko?
Yes.
Bagalan ko. Multiply your monthly expense by 12 months, and then once you have the sum, add a what? Zero at the end. This is the amount of money you need to save before you expire in this world so that your family can be secure. There are two ways for you to do that. Number one, you earn it and you save it. Number two, do you want a more affordable way? Yes or no?
Yes.
You buy life insurance because you don't have to pay for 2.4 million. And the good news is this. Hindi mo kailangan bayaran ng gano'n upfront. You pay it staggered and not as so number of years. Next question. Ito. Minsan nagtataka ako eh. Sasakyan ang insured. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tao
Bakit
hindi.
ang insured?
Yes.
Tao
Yung mga
hindi.
mahal na posesyon, naka-insured.
Yes.
Pero tao nag-insured, hindi naka-insured.
Tama.
Hindi mali. Eh, bata pa naman ako eh. Mali na eh. Dapat bata ka pa, bumili ka na. Bakit? Ano yung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi kung tumatanda ka, nagmamahal ng insurance. Ano yung ulit bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi kung after 35, kailangan mo naman pa-medical check-up. Pag hindi ka na-insurable, kahit gusto mo mag-insure, hindi
Hindi
na
na
pwede.
pwede. Yes.
Hello?
Hi.
Aside from insurance, kailangan na ng health card. Ngayon, may kumpanya kayo, meron kayong health card. Huwag pahintulutan ni Lord. Kaya nga sa MVP, kilala sa MVP. My uncle, in my dreams. Ano na ito sa kwalit niya? Ferdinand Santos, Cebu Doctors Hospital, Davao Doctors Hospital, Asian Hospital, Lourdes, Makati Med, De Los Santos Hospital. Ba't niya pinagbibili lahat? Dahil alam niya, nandun na yung pera. Tumatanda na ang tao. Let's recap. You want to retire before the age of 50? Yes or no? Learn how to create. Next, okay, go to Audible Street. Learn how to what? Handle. Save. Budget. Stay out of debt. Get out of debt. Third, learn how to what? Invest. Invest in stock market, mutual fund. Ito different strokes for different hopes. And last but not the least, learn how to what? Protect. Everybody say protect. Protect your life. If you did this, do these four things, congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. This is the start. Tapos na ba? Hindi. Start ka lang. Did you learn something today? Yes or no? Yes. Gusto niyo ba matuto? Yes or no? Yes. I'm afraid that my time is up. At alam mo, nagpapasalamat ako muli sa mga taong bumiyahe pa from provinces, Sultan Kudarat at marami pang iba. Listen, okay. Ito po, huwag muna kayo malis. Dahil may papalapag pa tayo. At wala na tayo masyadong time. Ito yung gagawin ko natin. First, after this event, meron pa akong isang short event. Sino sa inyo kasama sa dinner tonight? Kung kasama kayo sa dinner tonight, after this, I'll see you there at around 7:30. Diretso po tayo. It's a one-on-one session. Not really one-on-one, but it's a small session. Less than 100 people. We have 20 more seats left if you want. It will be at Annapolis Seafood House. Are you familiar with Annapolis Seafood House? Sa Green Hills, Annapolis. Doon po. Pero you just need to inquire. Per person, actually buffet meal yun, Laureate, Chinese Laureate. 5 courses. So very, very affordable yung rate, 1,000 plus lang po siya. Okay, so right now, we want to show the winners, okay? Yung winner ng group selfie, okay, sa group selfie po, okay, you will win 2,000 pesos worth of gift check from Yoshinoya. Pagkatapos ito, pwede na mag-winner. Sino nanalo? Pakita po natin. Wow, sino to? Sino? Nandito ka? Okay, mama, team na lang ha. Okay, pwede na rin kumain. Sino naman ang gusto manalo ng iPad? Okay, yung iPad. Okay, bibigyan po natin yan.
Congrats!
Kaya na lang po, sino sa inyo, meron kayong dream to become a public speaker one day? You have a dream to become a public speaker one day? Meron? Yes or no? Okay. Can you give me 10 minutes? 10 lang? Tapos tapos na tayo? Yes or no? I'm not really I was not a confident public speaker during that time. But I attended a seminar that really changed my life. Sino to, can you show yung picture ni Zig Ziglar, please? Do you know Zig Ziglar?
Yes.
The father of all motivational speaker, one time only in the Philippines, came to the Philippines in 1998. And then I attended the session, how to overcome the fear of public speaking, how to improve your self-image. You know how much I invested? I invested more or less 25,000 pesos, value of money today. Malaking pera? Yes or no? But you know what happened? Nabawi ka na ba? Sa palagay mo? Yes or no? Hindi ba? Bawin. To know more about this, let's watch this short video.
Sana yata yun.
Come on,
Galing naman. Congrats.
sleep please. Come on, next slide. So this will be on October 3. Please mark it on our calendar. Actually, it's in your manual already. October 3 at One Cafe Place. Are you familiar with One Cafe Place? Dito lang po siya malapit sa mga Pinas. Are you familiar with Tech-Type building? Tech-Type? Sa tapat mismo ng building, One Cafe Place. This is a whole day session. Next slide, please. Next slide. Workshop, exercises, manual, certificates, and then mind you, breakfast, buffet lunch, and then may merienda rin. How much is the total investment? 6,750. But for tonight, for everyone who's interested, I'll give a what? Special discount of how much? 3,000. So investment ko lang dito is how much? 3,750. Is this a good deal? Yes or no? Listen, I know speakers who gets paid 100,000 pesos an hour. So if you want to know how to speak effectively, the secrets, please attend this session. That's the good news. But the not so good news, we can only accept 120 because we cannot go 120. Pag nag-120 na siya, hindi na siya effective. It cannot be a plenary just like this. Kasi panel workshop siya. Do you follow? Yes or no? So after this, if you're interested, please go. Right now, the winner of the Apple TV, courtesy of what? iStudio. Maraming salamat iStudio, located at Green Hills at Fort Bonifacio. Sino pong nanalo? Pakita natin yung selfie. Sino nanalo? Sino nanalo? Sino to? Ano pangalan? Nandito ka pa ba? Are you still here? Ayan, kapatid, hindi ka makita. Come on. Ganyan. Come on, palakpakan natin. Thank you so much. At yung mga walang t-shirt pa, magkakaroon kayo ng t-shirt, relax. Kung wala ng books, kunin yung books. Bago tayo magbukas, una, nagpapasalamat muli ako. Thank you very much. Palakpakan yung sarili nyo, come on. And then, para kayo mo, ano rin natin to? Let's watch this. Magsan natin. Hi, my name is Shaylan. I'm your wealth and life coach. As you know, it has been my greatest passion to teach people on how to become financially free and debt-free. Hindi naman higit sa ating kaalaman ng maraming tao ang naghihirap at nabubuo sa utang. That's the reason why we organize this event called Kaching, in order to inspire people on how to save, how to budget, how to get out of debt, and how to invest. And I hope through this learning session you'll be empowered to make the right financial decisions and choices. The reason why I said that we do not have to worry about money, because all of our lives we've been worrying about money. There should come a time in our life na hindi na tayo dapat mag-isip tungkol sa pera. Allow money to work for you instead of working for what? Money. A lot of people always say, I cannot start a business because I don't have money. Let me tell you this. Rich people think like this. Money does not create money. Ordinary people will always think like this. I need money to make money.
I've been an employee for 8 years, pero wala akong save. So, ito po kung nabukas. After ako ng seminar, ang dami ko na natutunan.
Sa susunod, sasama ko ng mga pamilya ko, mga kaibigan ko, para lahat kami matuto. Someone asked me once, Shinky, when you retire, what would you be doing? You know what? If I retire, I would be doing the same thing that I'm doing every single day. I will still continue to what? Inspire people. I will still continue to what? Talk to people. This is Chief Tan always saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Fantastic.
Thank you very much, Pastor. Thank you very much, Tony Perez. Palakpakan natin yung team dito. Palakpakan din natin yung mga sponsors po natin, BPO. Maraming salamat. At most especially, dapat kayo po ang pasalamatan. Palakpakan niyo po ang ating sarili. Come on! Thank you very much. God bless you all. See you in our next event. Okay lang. Tweet lang if you want to share more information. Thank you very much. God bless you all. See you.